Welcome to Travel Passionia TV, where we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey to Malaysia. In this video, we'll uncover 7 essential insights that will enhance your travel experience in this diverse and captivating country. Introduction to Malaysia. Our adventure begins in Malaysia, a land of contrasts where ancient traditions and modernity coexist. From bustling cities to pristine natural landscapes, Malaysia offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave you mesmerized. Embracing Malaysian culture. Malaysia is a cultural melting pot, where Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous communities come together. Immerse yourself in this rich tapestry of traditions, from vibrant festivals to the daily rituals that define Malaysian life. Exploring Malaysia's historical treasures. Delve into Malaysia's past as we explore its historical treasures. Walk the streets of Kuala Lumpur and discover the iconic Sultan Abdul Samad building, a symbol of the nation's journey through unveiling the lush rainforests. Malaysia is blessed with some of the world's oldest rainforests, like Taman Negara. Get ready to trek through these ancient jungles, where towering trees and unique wildlife create an enchanting atmosphere. Beneath the waves, Malaysia's underwater world. Dive into Malaysia's crystal-clear waters, where a world of underwater wonders awaits. Snorkel or dive among the vibrant coral reefs, where you'll encounter graceful sea turtles and playful dolphins in their natural habitat. Adventure awaits. Malaysia's thrill-seeking side. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Malaysia is the perfect playground. Conquer the towering heights of Mount Kinabalu or navigate the rapids of the Pataz River. Malaysia's diverse terrain caters to all levels of thrill-seekers. The culinary journey. Malaysia's cuisine is a delightful odyssey for the taste buds. From the fiery flavors of Malay rendang to the savory delights of Chinese dim sum, the country's culinary scene is a feast for all your senses. Don't forget to explore the bustling street food markets where local favorites beckon. Discovering hidden gems. Escape the crowds and discover Malaysia's hidden gems. Picture yourself on the pristine shores of the Perhentian Islands, where the soft sands and clear waters offer a tranquil retreat. Or journey to the Cameron Highlands, where you can stroll through verdant tea plantations and breathe in the fresh mountain air. Practical tips for travelers. Before you embark on your Malaysian adventure, it's crucial to be well prepared. Familiarize yourself with visa requirements, currency exchange rates, and essential travel documents. Show respect for local customs, especially when visiting religious sites, and consider trying unique local transportation options. Conclusion and invitation. As our journey through Malaysia comes to a close, remember that every traveler brings their unique passion to the world. Malaysia offers a captivating array of experiences, from cultural immersion to thrilling adventures and culinary delights. Thank you for joining us at Travel Passionia TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Malaysia is ready to unveil its treasures to you, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.